How do you sell Wells Fargo stock? In today's fast-paced financial world, many investors are asking how to sell Wells Fargo stock. With recent market shifts and news impacting stock prices, understanding the selling process is essential. You may be wondering about your options and the best strategies to maximize your returns. Let's break down the steps you need to take to sell your Wells Fargo shares effectively. First, assess your current position. Are you holding shares directly or through options contracts? Knowing this will help you determine your selling method. Next, consider the market conditions. Recent events, such as earnings reports or analyst upgrades, can influence Wells Fargo's stock price. Staying informed about these developments is key. If you own shares directly, selling is straightforward. Log into your brokerage account, select Wells Fargo stock, and choose how many shares you want to sell. You can use a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. For those involved in options trading, selling stock can be a bit different. If you have a call option, you might sell the underlying shares if the option is exercised. Alternatively, you could close your option position by selling the option itself if it has not been exercised. Another strategy to consider is the naked put strategy. This involves selling put options before earnings announcements. With increased volatility, there is potential for profit if the option expires worthless. However, this approach carries risks, as you may be obligated to buy the stock at the strike price if the option is exercised. Timing is also important. Selling before major announcements like earnings reports can be strategic. Wells Fargo's next earnings report is expected on July 14, 2025, with an anticipated earnings per share increase. Be mindful of brokerage fees when selling your stock. These fees can vary based on your account type and the brokerage firm you use. Lastly, consider the tax implications of selling your stock. If you sell shares for a profit, capital gains tax may apply, depending on how long you have held them. By understanding these factors, you can make informed decisions about selling Wells Fargo stock, whether through direct shares or options trading strategies. Stay updated on market conditions and be strategic about your selling approach to maximize your investment outcomes.